Everyone, this Hello everyone, this is Sachi CRM app. I'm going to explain how it is working, and you can see this is the dashboard of Sachi CRM app, and you can see in the top left side this is the current location of salesperson, and below this you can see here this is the name of the salesperson, and below this is the employee ID of salesperson, and you can see this is the assign area of salesperson. Click here and you can see fully details about the assign areas, and close this, and you can see here this is the notification part, and here you can get everything updated in your tour plans visit, and everything you will be get updated any information inside this page. And second point is this is a clocking means start your day, and start your day it means here you can say that this is a attendance management. When click here and click yes, when here you can see this is clocking, it means start your day, and here totally see here days start and counting is going on, you can see on the screen. And suppose you want to take a break and click in this button and add your information. I'm taking my reason is I want to take the lunch. Here the reason and submit this. You can see counting counting is stopped, and here suppose my after break is done, then I again click here, and you can see my daily routine and time period is going on, and counting is going on here, you can see. And right now this is a dashboard, and this is a card, you can see this is a card, and this is a scroll bar left to right. And suppose I explain it 1 second. Here you can see this is the present, it means here 31 this month is total 30 days, and here 2 means 2 days present in this month. And second is checking, 6 checking is done in this month, and you can see. And second point is pending lead, there is no pending leads here. And here you can see follow up leads, there is no follow up done in this month. And now scroll, and here you can see this is the checking, and click here and go to the checking page, and later I will be explain this. And right now again come to the home page and scroll this, and here also click the tour plan, and same come to their tour plan page, again come to the home page, and now go here. You can see here this is all about information about the tour, and this here you can see this is the latest tour details, latest tour, upcoming tour, you can say here. And suppose you click this, and here you can see tour related information. First of all, your tour details you can see here, plan name, suppose this is the tour IDs, and start end date you can see here. This is your status when tour is this is changed according to approve reject, this status will be changed. And you can see here there is a 3 visit, you can see here this is the dealers, second is department, third is dealer, you can see. That's why all about the tour details. Come back again, this is all about the dashboard. I am going to create the new tour plan, click on this, and I also can click on here and also go in this page. Suppose this is your tour plan summary, this page is showing like this is all about your tour details, you can see from here. And right now I'm going to create the tour plan. When you click on the plus icon button and select your day, and here you can see right now today is the 15th January, and you can see here this is all previous day are disabled. I mean it mean you could not be create your tour plan before the previous day, 2 days previous day. It means not you will be create only today and next coming day. So first of all you select here, I want to create the create the tour plan. First select your first date 15th, and now I'm going to select again another 16. I want to create the 2 days tour plan here, and select here. Now click on the next one, you can see here start date or end date. My tour plan start 15 to 16, 2 days tour plan I'm going to create. And now I'm click on the next button, and here you can see here first of all you can see here start date, you can check, and end date, all are right. Then this is your visit type. First of all you can see dealer visit type. Suppose you want to follow up leads, well, suppose I want to going to visit according to new leads for department service. You can see here all about, this is the visit type. First of all I want to create the dealer visit, and you can see here on click and come on this page, and this is, you can also see here start or end date. Select your visit date and click here, and you can also see here only 2 days date is visible. All dates are disabled because you have 2 days tour plan. So suppose I am creating my visit date is 15, I want, and select here, you can see here and click add, and suppose come here and where you want to visit, which dealer. Suppose I am this dealer, and add your purpose, whatever you have purpose. Suppose my purpose, whatever you have put inside this input, and my purpose is I want to meet dealer about tool info, and now save. Suppose you want to add more visit and same date 15, and suppose in this from dealer visit, dealer type visit, to add button and click add your details. But right now I'm not going to create anything, one visit is enough. And second, we can see here two button, and one is add visit and one second is confirm visit. Add means I have the 2 day tour plan, so 15 is already selected. Now next I want to add another visit. Confirm means when click and check out and go next and save it, it means the tour plan is created. But right now I'm going to create the next visit in this tour plan, and select this and save. Now you can see come in the same page. Suppose right now I'm going to again create the department. Suppose, and this is select, come here, and second is I want to, first is already I am created as on this date. Second is select 16. Here come and add. You can here name is the department. So then I want to add here and like home minister visit. You can like need some help from HM home minister, and save it. And this is your visit. You can see here in name and purpose already. If you want to add anything, you want to edit here and edit your information. And if you want to not like this, then you can delete from here. If you want to anything you want to add about the department, then you can select here name of the department and purpose and whatever you are. And now I'm going to next. Here you can everything. I have 2 days tour plan, 2 day visit is created, and right now I'm going to create the new. I'm going to create the this tour plan. So now confirm and save this. You can see here this is your tour plan is created, and this is your tour plan right now pending. It means it is entry in your app, entry in your diary, whatever. This is not go for approval for in upper level. And right now you have anything you want to add, edit, whatever changes you like this, so you modify button was here. You can here and you can edit, delete, whatever. If you want to add anything new visit, you can click here and come on this and come. You can see here, and suppose, and you can select here. I want to add suppose one dealer again. Date is meant same 15th again. Then select this. Add the dealer from here, select it, and purpose meeting need with this dealer, and save this. Right now I'm created, and next come then confirm this update. You can see come in against and tour plan page, and you can pen this is your tour plan, and go and check you below this. you can, this is a new tool plan updated, new visit is added here, you can see here. And right now this is all about your 2D tour plan and visit details. And you have also see, you can also see here, this is your status when sent for approval. Suppose your status is changes when your process is going on, then you can, right now I'm going to this visit send for approval, and this is, you can see here I send for approval submitted to the offer level like manager or admin, and you can see here status is change, it means send for approval. Right now here tour plan is not approved, then I am contact and then admin and check your details and again approve this. You can see in this page again come, and you can change your eye colors and change your status. Change status is approved. Now after, right now you can see here this is my tour is partially approved, not fully approved. It means in go click here and check here, and tour is partially approved. It means you can see here partially means you can see here two visit is approved. You can see here first and dealer is approved and department is approved, but second is rejected. You can see here what is need, what is the reason your your visit is rejected, and it means you showing that need to change some, whatever this reason is given to you by admin to you, and you can see here. And right now modify button is okay. Right now I want to again rechanges update this visit, and again I want to send for approval. You can see here only one visit is showing because one visit is rejected. Right now I want to my, I think dealer need to change same purpose, update this. You can see here my dealer is updated, and I have updated this, and suppose update this right now. Okay, again I want to send this tour plan for admin because my changes as about this visit I have done. Right now can send for approval. You can see again this is my tour plan is approved. It means one visit is rejected, but right now again I update and send for approval, then my visit is again approved by admin and manager. You can see here right now everything is okay. Right now I'm going to checking this visit in this tour plan. Suppose when I want to click here, you can see here this is checking button. Here you can see this is my tour plan, today tour plan 15 to 16. Right now your status you can see this is tour is not started. Right now I didn't start till now, so that's why it's showing like this. And I click here, and you can see your two visit in this, because you are showing two visit because in 15th January only have two visit. That's why that's why showing like this. And second is you can change your date. You can also show one visit in the department. But right now I'm going to checking 15 and select here. Right now my visit is pending, and click here and start your journey. It means suppose when left for your visit, then first of all you have to select this before starting your visit, and select this and start your journey. It means your visit is started from here. And now this is you can see here this is your map is come right now, and it right now in your right now do not show your map from your location to dealer location, because this is I am using my laptop, so that's why it's showing like this. If you are using your phone, then will be show map by map, route will be show in your map. You can see here, and this is all about map. So you can see this is a button. Suppose when reach your location to reach your dealer location, then you click here checking. Right now showing location mismatch. It means, and you are a location mismatch means you means suppose you are outside the 500 meter your dealer location in radius, then that's why showing location mismatch. Then enter your region and submit to the admin. Suppose you are inside the 500 meter inside, then you will be this pop-up is this message is not shown your phone. So right now showing because you are outside the 500 radius meter. Suppose enter your reason why this is showing like this. So then I will be put my my reason. My reason is this is different location. I'm reason only and submit this. You can say here a check-in is successful. It means your checking is done your dealer location, and this is come your checkout. Checkout means after discussion with your dealer, and if you want to leave from your dealer location, so right now add the some information. My add your any additional information you have. So I have only info only. And this is photo. This will be take only the current is mean live photo. When click here, then you will be take your photo with dealer signboard. Yeah, with dealer. You can click here. Photo is done. You can see here on UI and check out. Right now we check out from the dealer location. You can see here this is a create expense and outcome. Create outcome. You already know about the, I think you know, this is expense created, your expense is, and you can create your outcome. It means your feedback about the dealer. This page you can see here, this is the create expense, outcome expense, create expense and outcome. Suppose I want to create the expense, click here. You can see here conveyance, non-conveyance, local conveyance. First of all I am going to create the non-conveyance. You can see here this is the expense date and destination, and click your plus icon. You can see this is all about your field: departure town, departure time, arrival town and arrival time, your mood, your travels. Select your mode of travels, even your amount added here, and if you have any information comment, you can, it's also optional. And here you can see add your photo like bill, whatever you have a ticket, you can add here. It's necessary. I want to put my location is Kolkata. Departure timing, you can see date from here, time. Sorry, this is some mistake and here town is Patna. Arrival timing, arrival date, I mean 16. Mode of travels by car, amount added here, and select your, you take your photo with your ticket, you can see, and click here. Done. You have a multiple option, and you can take a photo from your live photo with your phone cameras, and choose your from gallery photos, and you have multiple photo you can add here if you have. And right now I want to add this information, and you can invalidate your son because right now okay. This is your all about your expense I have created, and now I'm going to submit this and submit this expense about all about this. And right now I'm going to create your create the outcome, and click here. You can see this is your dealer name and dealer type, visit type, and dealer name, visit dealer date. If you want to follow this visit again, then select this, otherwise no need to select. But right now I'm not going to select because I have no any follow-up for this meetings, and so that's why I'm not selecting any date. And right now add meeting positive, and right now done. Submit this. You can see here this is outcome is created successfully, and right now we didn't change your outcome because already you have submitted. And you can see This is your all about the expense. You can come first here, come again this page. Suppose you need to, you can see here after refreshing this page, then you can see here this is a two plans going on and expense is submission pending. It means you have already created your expense. You can see in this page come and you can see this visit checkout is everything is completed. You can come and here you can see here this is everything is completed. Right now I'm going to check out. I'm going to checking this visit again. Suppose everything will be same. Start your journey first. Everything scenario will be same. Right now you can see map is loading and this every scenario will be same and previous visit, and you can see here and you can click here again this page is come. Already I am explain about this. This is showing because you are the outside your 500 meter radius from your dealer location. If you are in your 500 inside your 500 meter, it means below your 500, then will be this will be not come your page. So right now again come mismatch different location put and submit this. Again this is showing this is at your checkout. Every scenario will be same, already explained. Live photo with your dealers checkout. You can see this is already I'm explained. I'm going to explain in this again because I have already one expense is already created. This is not explained, that's why this is I'm going to explain about this. You can click non-convenience, you can see everything your review, and this is show your all about details. Already I'm explain one by one. This is your A and B. A means you know about A means your capital of your state and B means accept capital of your state. It means normal city. A means all capital about the all capital of state. The first of all select your A. This is your come your according to your zone wise, and this is Kolkata and Bhubaneswar is come. Right now Bhubaneswar I select. Expense type you can see here DA full DA, half DA, hotel. I can select DA. Again select the allowance type, food allowance. And here you can see this is your 330 because you are showing your allowance for your designations. Already have this is already given to you to form your upper level to you, and you can put your amount. If you will be put your more than 333, then you can see here, and this entire amount is exit for authorized limit because already you have only approved your approved amount is for this 360, but when we will be put here more than 330 it will be accepted, but give your some reason, give your text below, and because you are inform you this is not for more than your your allowance, and put like you can see. If you have remark add, otherwise you can see add photo. If you have saved the photo about the, if you have a bill about food, I can take the photo. I will be take the current photo of bill with camera. You can also add the multiple photo, and you can see all about details and add this. This is your done. This is all about the details. You can share Bhubaneswar location, expense type DA, amount, city category A, DA type. You can see here. Right now again I create the note. I'm going to create some. I want to create the mode. So I'm submit this and create again expense, and this is a local conveyance paid here. You can see here you can say select your travels by rickshaw, local, bus, whatever. I'm going to rickshaw. Taking my amount is 50 rupees, and if you have the photo then upload this. By camera I'm going to upload this. Add this. and submit. You can see two expenses I am created, and right now I am going to create the outcome for this information, this visit. If I want to follow this again, this visit, so right now select the follow-up date is 20, moment meeting done well, and submit this outcome. Outcome is submitted. Now I am going to again, you can see this is your approved approved tour summary. I'm coming the checking page. You can see here first visit is done, second visit is done, everything is done. Right now I have one visit is left, you can see, and right now I'm going to select here, and you can see this is a department visit. Right now I'm going to again select and start journey. In this page you can see here there is a no map, because and in department visit, when you have your department visit time, there will be no map in your process. So that's why not showing your map here. And right now if you will be arrive at your department, your given location, right now checking there, and check-in is completed, and right now this is your outcome page. Already same scenario will be going there, and add info, add your any information, take your photo with department if you have possible, and check out this. And I have to again come this page if you have a time. So right now you create this. If you have no time right now, you will be also create the expense outcome we later, but right now I'm going to create right now. Select this, select the again other select, I will by bus amount, take your bus ticket photo, submit this. You can see this is done and you can add this expense. You can see here if you have want to edit or delete any changes, you can do it from here. You have option and submit this. Right now I'm going to create the feedback about the department, so I have no need to follow up this meeting done, submit the outcome. And right now everything I have done, expense is created and submit outcome is done, and then I come to this page. You can see here, you can see your status is completed. You can see here tour is everything is completed, because you have 3 tour planning, 3 visit in your tour plan. 3 visit is completed. You can see checkout done, and check again here 16th Jan. It's also done. Everything is done. You can see here, and expense is already created, but expense is not sent for approval. I have done it. Now I didn't done it. So that's why showing is the status expense submission is pending. When you click here, view your expense details, you can see everything. For these dealers, you can see outcome added and expense added. Everything you can see from here. And if you have expense report, you can see everything in details. This is a conveyance type. You can see everything. This is a score level. Everything details inside here, fare amount. And you can check from here. Every details you have put before, that same thing you can see here. The name of the salesperson name, designation, start date, end date, tour plan number, and expense status. Tour is completed. Your status is tour approved. Tour status is confirmed. Everything, and you can see here total conveyance. Your expense amount. You can see total conveyance, total non-conveyance amount. You can see here. Total all over the expense 1200. You can see here, and all these details you can see below. And if you want to copy, if you want to print, click the PDF, and you can see you can download the PDF from here. And right now I did not going to download it, and I'm go back. You can see I can come in this page all about. Right now I want everything I've checked. No need to change any changes inside your expense. So now expense send for I want to send your expense details to the admin manager. You can send for click here button, and you can see tour plan send for approval. Everything is go send for approval to the manager. You can see here, and come back here. I can difference this. You can see expense submitted for approval. Right now your expense is did not approved. You can see, and expense is right now submitted for approval. And then after verification, your expense status you will be checked, and after refreshing, you can see here this is expense is fully approved. Whatever expense you have done and everything is approved. Your tour plan is complete, expense is approved. So that's why you can see this is your logged right now. We didn't change anything inside your tour plan. Any expense, anything. So you can see here this is your. So that's why this is disable your button. Then click here, then you can see this is an access denied, because this you can check this message because everything is done. That's why it's showing like this. And finally you can see everything I have done about related to your tour plan visit. So that's why it's showing like this. Right now I'm going to explain your account. You can see this is your account details. You can see everything you have term and condition privacy. Click here and log out from here, and this is all about your profile details. And again come in this page, and right now again showing your notification. You can see here, you can details every updated I have done previous about the tour visit related. Every information will be come here. You can check everything right now, and again come back. Again this is your menu bar, and click this. This is your attendance details, tour plan details, holidays. You will be checked from here. And on suppose I click here, this is your attendance report. You can see here. And this is, you can see your start. Suppose today's multiple time login. That's why showing your multiple timing. Today is not your. Today is 15. That is showing previous attendance details. When click on this, you can also show your more details about this clocking address, clock out address, breaking details, everything you can see here. And this is break details about here, break region showing here, lunch break, and everything details about the attendance. Now come back again, and now I'm going to this page. You can see this here. This is show everything details, previous and present. You can see here. And click here expense. You can see this tour expense about this tour. You can see this is expense details. This is visit wise tours I have done here. You can check your details. And now go back again, and here you can see outcome. You can see the outcome details of the meeting, and the follow up date, checking status, checked in run, and outcome feedback about the meeting. And this is the image of your image of your dealer board sign. You can see it. Now back again come this page. This is your holidays. This is right now didn't show anything because you have no holiday assigned for you from your company, so that's why nothing here, showing nothing here. And click button again. This is all about here my tour plan dashboard, everything I have done and explained in step by step. And right now I'm going to clocking account again, and this is from here, clock out this again. This is your login page of your Saji CRM app. If you have already provided your email ID and password, put and click sign up and login, and again come to your dashboard. This is your forget password page, and click this. This is already enter your already existing email IDs and email ID, and enter your email ID and submit this, and this email then some link, some details send your emails. So you will be go and check existing email ID here, and put it email ID here and go on the email ID and check, and check your details and go there and reset your passport and generate the new passport. This is all about the Saatchi CRM. Thank you for watching these videos. Thanks all.